Bullish mask organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $15.98 and $30.18 by 2030. Market investigators accept mask could reach $12.43 by 2025. Mask organization presentation. We will break down the cost projection for the mask organization and give our own and the market's points of view on mask's future in this age. If it's not too much trouble, recall that estimating anything is an unpleasant exertion. Not to mention the fate of a novel, very unstable monetary resource like mask organization. You ought to consequently treat this guess and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration. We should get everything rolling at this point. We should rapidly investigate what mask is and its basics prior to digging into the mask organization cost expectation and giving solutions to issues like regardless of whether mask is a shrewd speculation, why it will succeed or come up short, and why the cost will climb or fall. What is the mask organization? You might download the encoded visit program Mask Organization from the application store in Google Play. The program module, made by Suji Yan in 2019, encodes correspondences traded on Twitter, Facebook, and Mind.com, an open-source person-to-person communication webpage that appreciates extreme right material and is the space of the broadly prohibited connivance site Infowars, utilizing ciphertext and AES information keys through the decentralized independent association MaskDAO. The administration token Mask gives holders a voice in convention improvement. Sent off in February 2021, the Mask cryptographic money has a 1 token equals 1 vote rule and should be marked for something like 7 days before a democratic meeting to be real. Mask organization specialized investigation. Despite the fact that it is challenging to give a specialized examination of the mask organization digital money that is 100% right, TradingView's refined specialized investigation device permits you to see the collected mask trade rating continuously for a picked time period. The most broadly utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the groundwork of the MASK USD report. Mask organization current cost. Mask has moved 10.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $153,488,464. Mask organization is at present positioned 136 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $275,797,791 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for mask organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous mask organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Mask organization value expectation 2023. Mask organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The mask cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $5.33. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $4.97 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Mask is supposed to have a base worth of $4.26. Mask organization value expectation 2024. In 2024, mask organization mask cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of mask will before long outperform $8.88. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the mask's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, mask will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $7.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.81. Mask organization value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $12.43 and mask might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mask is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $11.36 and a low of $10.65 in 2025. Mask organization value expectation 2026. Assuming mask organization effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the mask coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, mask will be green in 2026. The mask is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $15.98, with a base cost of $14.20 and a typical cost of $14.91. Mask organization value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, We gauge the mask cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $18.46 by 2027, with a base cost of $17.75 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, mask has a greatest value worth of $19.53. Mask Organization Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $22.02. In the event that mask figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $23.08. Neglecting to assemble the help mask needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $21.31. Mask Organization Value Expectation 2029. While Mask is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $24.86 and a yearly cost close above $26.63 in 2029. Mask Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Mask Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $28.41 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $30.18, averaging out at $29.12. Mask Organization Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest mask cost in 2031 is projected to be $34.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $33.38. And this is the latest conjecture we have for the Mask Organization. A positive pattern proposes that Mask will finish strong. These are only a modest bunch of the specialized investigations and discoveries that our foundation's famous trained professionals and investigators have given. The assessment of the gave insights, which depend on observational information, is finished utilizing the first evaluating investigation. Do all necessary investigation prior to making a venture. What is the Mask Organization cost today? Today, Mask Organization is exchanging at $3.55 with an all-out market capitalization of $275,797,791. Is Mask Organization a wise venture? Mask Organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Mask is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Mask Organize go? The typical cost of Mask Organization might potentially reach $4.97 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Mask Organization might outperform $23.08. What amount will Mask Organize be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital currency and Mask Organization, a drawn-out interest in Mask could see the value